Part 1, Summer Season. It's a sunny day. We all love to play with water. We wear cotton clothes. We eat ice creams and enjoy drinking cold drinks.
It is summer season. Yes, children, now you share what you like to do in summer season.
Seasons. Part 2, Winter Season. Due to snowfall in this season, the temperature decreases. In this season, we wear jackets, warm pants, and gloves.
Yes, children, you are right. It's winter season. Now you also share what you wear in winter season.
Seasons Part 3, Rainy Season. In this season, we take an umbrella with us, or we wear raincoat with gumboots.
I know, it must be your favorite season. Yes, it's rainy season. Now you also share what you do in rainy season.